An English wildflower meadow, part of a traditional landscape, native flowers hidden in long grass. A busy hub of biodiversity too, with butterflies, grasshoppers, beetles and much more. But these areas are scarce. Conservationists estimate the majority of UK wildflower meadows were lost in recent decades. The World Wildlife Fund says it's concerned.
Partly because they have their own intrinsic value and are critically important for a whole range of wildlife, but also because they are a mirror on what is happening more broadly across all types of habitat and our mismanagement of nature.
In the past, farmers were pressured to maximise production, aerial spraying this valley with pesticides. But when organic farmers took over the land, they transformed it, allowing wildflowers to evolve. The valley is now alive with oxeye daisies and lady's bedstraw, spotted moths on blue scabious flowers, and bee numbers boosted, contributing to nature's cycle.
So more insect life, more pollination, more insect life, more songbird life, because they love the insects. More songbird life, more birds of prey.
For some bee species, it's already too late. Many gone for good.
The main reason that pollinators like bees have declined is just there aren't enough flowers in the modern world. We've created a kind of landscape that's almost completely devoid of flowers, in fact. And if you're a bee, that's your only source of food.
Conservationists want to restore more areas like this. 100 flower types can grow in one field. The more variety, the more insects. But while many enjoy wildflowers, modern farming can be detrimental. Chemicals wiping flowers from crop fields, but those crops need insects to pollinate them too.
We need to find a balance, but we've gone way too far in the wrong direction, and there are many farms with almost no biodiversity left at all, and that isn't sustainable in the long term. We need insects.
There are now schemes to encourage nature-friendly farming, leaving flowers growing wild in some fields, these foxgloves proving perfect for bees. Carefully conserved wildflower fields like this one are full of life and colour. But these are isolated pockets. In many other places, the species that thrive right here are struggling. Roadside flowers help connect these pockets. Increasingly, authorities like Highways England let grass verges grow, allowing nature to flourish.
You form corridors of good habitat to allow animals, with birds, mammals, insects, to move between these islands, and gradually their populations will recover.
Every small area helps. Flowers filter pollution and sequester carbon, doing their bit for climate change. Some flower fields are planted intentionally too, brightening up prospects for nature, creating colour and a bee sanctuary. And when chemicals can be avoided, the difference is clear, allowing nature to recover and flowers to grow and grow.